Have you been struggling to lose weight, no matter what you try? Tired of dieting, counting calories, and doing endless cardio without real results? Before you buy Mitolyn, listen closely, because what I'm about to tell you might completely change how you approach weight loss from now on. Hi, my name is Jenny, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal everything you need to know about Mitolyn, what it is, how it works, and why it's getting attention from people who've tried everything else without success. And by the way, I also have 2 important warnings that could save you time, money, and even your health. So stick with me. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you should know about Mitolyn is, beware of fake websites. Mitolyn is only sold through its official website, nowhere else. I'll leave the link down in the description for you, but stay with me until the end. I'll explain why that's crucial. So, why are people talking about Mitolyn? Because recent research has uncovered something shocking. Scientists from Harvard discovered that people who struggle with weight tend to have low levels of mitochondria, those tiny engines inside your cells that burn fat and create energy. On the other hand, lean and toned individuals, they have high mitochondria levels. And that makes all the difference. Think of it like this. The mitochondria in your body are responsible for turning fat into energy. If you don't have enough of them, no matter how much you exercise or diet, your body just isn't equipped to burn fat efficiently. That's why weight loss feels impossible for so many people. And that's where Mitolyn comes in. Fire quick hook. Mitolyn is not just another weight loss pill. It's a science-based formula designed to ignite your mitochondria, naturally accelerating your metabolism and turning your body into a fat-burning machine. Now I know what you're thinking. But do supplements like this really work? Fair question. Because let's be real, the supplement industry is flooded with hype and empty promises. But here's the truth, not all supplements are created equal. Mitolyn has gone through extensive testing, and what sets it apart is its formula, which includes 6 powerful nutrients backed by real research. Let me quickly break them down for you. Maki berry boosts mitochondria, supports heart health. Rhodiola improves mood, reduces stress, and supports your brain. Haematococcus helps your joints, strengthens your immune system. Amla, great for digestion, and even your eyesight. Theobroma cacao supports blood pressure, and yes, it's a natural aphrodisiac. Schisandra, great for your liver and even keeps your skin youthful. That's a powerhouse combo, all wrapped in an easy-to-swallow capsule that's natural, non-GMO, and stimulant-free. No weird side effects. No addiction risk. Now, if you're already thinking of trying Mitolyn, don't rush to Google. The only place where you'll get the real, official formula is through the link in the description of this video. And here's the kicker. They offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. That's right. You can try Mitolyn risk-free. If you don't like the results, or just change your mind, they'll refund your money. Zero hassle. But remember, this is not magic in a bottle. For Mitolyn to work, you have to commit. That means taking it every single day, consistently. Most people start seeing results in the first month, but the real transformation usually happens after 2 to 3 months of continued use. So take it seriously. And please, don't compare your progress with others. Your body is unique. Your metabolism, your lifestyle, your starting point, they all play a role in your results. But one thing's for sure, if you've been struggling for years, Mitolyn could finally be the turning point you've been waiting for. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like. It really supports the channel. And if you're serious about transforming your health, tap the official Mitolyn link below this video, in the description or in the first pinned comment. Try it out and let me know in the comments what your experience is like. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. And here's to unlocking your body's true fat-burning potential.